Okay, Satnam, so we'll do Spleen 1 now, and we'll do some work on the spine. And again, you can find out about the relation between the spine and the spleen in the section on the website, twithinme.com. And we'll also do a meditation for focus and clarity. It's called Ganesha meditation. Ganesha is the elephant, so it's helping us to move through obstacles. So let's come to standing. Have your feet small hip width apart, and your hands as though you were carrying food, like a waiter. And we're going to move from the lower spine to the upper spine. I'll just do one demonstration for you. This is an inhalation, exhalation. So lower back, mid back, upper back, head and neck last. Doesn't matter if you can't touch the floor, bring your hands onto the back of your legs rather than bending your knees, and bring yourself in this way. And then when you come up, don't lead with your head. Same principle. Lower back, mid back, arms moving like an extension of your spine. Upper back, and then the head and neck doesn't need to move till you come up to 90. You bend back a little way. So we'll do 26 of these. Inhale, exhale, and so on. Don't rush the movement. Especially at first, we want to keep slow, so you can feel that your spine is moving from the lower back first to the head last on both the up and down motions. Think into the soles of your feet. That will help you to bring you up. I like to glide up, so there's not so much effort. It's called a rebound effect. Once you've got the action, this cascading action through the spine, you can speed up a little. Okay, let's hook our thumbs together. Bring the feet slightly closer. Keep counting. Inhale up and hold the breath. Bring the feet together now, stretch back. And then slowly come down, take the hands onto the back of the legs and try to sort of tuck your elbows in, come in tight. Take a deep breath in. And exhale and go as close to your knees as you can. Inhale and slowly come up. Very good, and just stand for a moment and just spread the fingers wider, plug into the earth. So feel these 4 points through the soles of your feet and through your hands. And come and sit down. We're going to do Ganesha meditation now. This is a great meditation, really fantastic if you are feeling dispersed, you've got to focus on a project, it's coming towards the end of the day and you just don't have the motivation for it, to sort of bring you back central and online again. So we're going to take the left hand and we're going to make it into a fist, except the thumb which comes into the third eye point, just actually at the top of the nose here. The top of the nose comes towards the forehead. And the left little finger gets extended and you clasp the left little finger with your right hand. And that's all there is to it. Just try not to drop this elbow down, so that you keep these two, you keep this sort of square that you're making with the two arms. And start a slow, long, deep breath. And this is going to be 3 minutes. So a long, deep breath is long, slow inhale. Hold briefly at the top of the inhale. And exhale slowly and gently. But don't force that pattern straight away. Just start to lengthen and deepen your breath. And just hold the breath as long as you comfortably can. So about 10 seconds on the inhale, 10 seconds hold, 10 seconds exhale, something like that. Press a little bit into the third eye point. You can feel the pressure there. Spine straight, neck aligned, neck nice and long, like an extension of your spine. Stay with it, focused, where the thumb puts pressure into the bridge of the nose. Come to your next inhale and hold the breath. Perfect posture. And exhale. And relax. Sit still for a moment, hands in Gyam Mudra. Feel this change of energy in the forebrain. Sit down.